Social media marketing is the practice of using social media platforms to promote and market products, services, or brands. It involves creating and sharing content on social media networks to engage with and attract a target audience. Here are the key aspects and details of social media marketing. Social media platforms. There are various social media platforms available, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, and Snapchat. Each platform has its characteristics, user demographics, and content formats. Audience research. Before implementing a social media marketing strategy, it is crucial to understand your target audience. This includes demographics, interests, behaviors, and preferences. Knowing your audience can tailor your content and messaging to effectively reach and engage them. Content creation. Content is at the core of social media marketing. It can include text, images, videos, infographics, blog posts, and more. The content should be engaging, relevant, and valuable to your target audience. It should align with your brand voice and objectives. Content distribution. Once the content is created, it needs to be distributed across relevant social media platforms. This can be done through organic, unpaid methods or paid advertising. Organic distribution involves sharing content on your social media profiles and engaging with your followers. Paid distribution utilizes social media advertising platforms to target specific audiences and boost visibility. Engagement and community management. Social media marketing involves actively engaging with your audience. Responding to comments, messages, and mentions, and initiating conversations are important for building relationships and fostering customer loyalty. Community management involves monitoring and moderating social media channels to ensure a positive and respectful environment. Influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers and individuals with a significant social media following can help expand your reach and credibility. Influencers can promote your products or services through sponsored content or reviews, reaching their engaged audience. Social media advertising. Social media platforms offer advertising options to help businesses reach a wider audience. These ads can be highly targeted based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and other criteria. Advertising formats may include display ads, sponsored posts, video ads, carousel ads, and more. Analytics and tracking. It is essential to measure the effectiveness of your social media marketing efforts. Social media platforms provide analytics tools to track key metrics such as reach, engagement, clicks, conversions, and ROI. This data helps you understand what is working and make informed decisions for future campaigns. Social listening. Monitoring social media conversations and mentions of your brand, competitors, and industry allows you to gather valuable insights. Social listening helps you understand customer sentiment, identify trends, and address customer concerns promptly. Social media strategy. A well-defined social media strategy outlines your goals, target audience, content plan, advertising strategy, and key performance indicators, KPIs. It provides a roadmap for your social media marketing activities and ensures consistency and alignment with your overall marketing objectives. Remember, social media marketing is an ongoing process that requires regular monitoring, adaptation, and optimization based on the changing dynamics of social media platforms and your audience's preferences.